Hello guys, today we will check how to buy cheap products on the Amazon app. First, you'll need to install the Amazon app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app is open, you can find Amazon Haul in this menu, or if it is not available, use the search bar and type Amazon Haul here and hit enter to search. You'll see the Amazon Haul page pop up with all the products and offers ready for you to browse. Once the products appear on your screen, you can browse to find something relevant and select the one that fits your needs. For example, I'll choose a product to open. Once it's open, check all the images they've provided to make sure the product is exactly what you want. Then, look at the available colors or variants of the product. After that, confirm the price. They also offer a 15-day refund in some cases, so you can shop with peace of mind. Don't forget to check the delivery time, charges, and any promotions. Sometimes delivery is free, or you need to spend a limited amount to get a free shipping offer. After that, be sure to read the customer reviews. They really help you decide. Once you're happy and ready to place an order, tap the Add to Cart button at the bottom, and your item will be added. Once that's done, we'll head back to the home page to explore some other tabs. At the bottom menu, tap on the Category tab. On the screen, you'll see a list of categories, each with its own subcategories to help you find exactly what you need. Next, there's the Crazy Low tab, where you'll find products at very low prices with maximum discounts, plus free shipping in some cases. After that, we have the Me section. This is your profile page where you can see all your orders, whether they've been placed or delivered. You can also manage your delivery addresses, add multiple addresses, and pick the one you need. Next is your Payment section, where you can see your payment details, or you can set up or update your payment methods according to your needs. You can also review the feedback you've left or received. Plus, you can check out the About Haul section just to understand how it works and what its purpose is. If you run into any issues, you can contact customer service or check out the help topics, FAQs, and return instructions for more guidance. After that, head to the Cart tab, where you'll see all the products you've added to your cart. Once you're ready to place your order, simply tap on Proceed to Checkout. This will take you to a new page where you'll choose your payment method and select the delivery address for your order. Once everything is filled out, just tap Continue to proceed to checkout. And that's it. That's how you can use Amazon Haul on your phone.